Hey guys, this is Ashutosh Nirmal and today I'm gonna unbox and show you first look of Asus FX570U gaming laptop. Before starting, if you are here first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First check box details. Here you can see Asus Gaming. This is an entry-level gaming laptop. There's not much on the box. Backside there's model number, that is FX570U. This is black model with Full HD display, 4GB dedicated graphic card, Intel i5 processor, 1TB SSD with 8GB flash memory, 8GB DDR4 RAM, priced at 68,990, but you can get this under 59,000 and around 53 during sales, so always check the deals before you buy. Let's open this. First we have the laptop. It feels light in weight. It weighs around 2 kg. Let's keep it aside and see what else in the box. We have user guide. Then we have quick start guide. Here's the power cord for charging adapter. Here's a big charging adapter. This is 19 volt 6.32 ampere adapter providing 120 watts. Nothing else in the box. As most of the companies right now, there is no bag with this. It's only available on Amazon right now. Before I turn this on, let's see the design. This laptop comes in beautiful black color with futuristic red streamlined design, which look beautiful and give the laptop different look. Left side there's security slot, then two USB 2.0 ports, one headphone / microphone jack. There's nothing at the front. On the right side, micro SD card slot, USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port, then we have HDMI 1.4 port, then one USB 3.1 port, one LAN port for Ethernet connection, and last for power input. Here are air vents. At the bottom there's 4 rubber pads to provide proper support so it won't slip off the table. Here are air vents. Here 2 body stereo speakers with Asus Sonic Master technology to provide good sound. Let's open this. This can be easily opened with one hand and that's a good thing. It also have a streamlined design which looks good. First we have a VGA camera for video calls. Besides that we have a camera indicator so you'll know when it's on. Then there's microphone. Here's Full HD display panel. Then we have air vents. Besides that there's status indicator and power indicator. Here full size chiclet keyboard with red backlit keys and arrow keys crammed up with num keys. Num keys also works with function keys. These keys have 1.4mm travel distance for tactile comfortable typing and spacing is good. Here normal size trackpad will also support multi gestures with regular left and right keys. Now in terms of specs, this specific model comes with Intel's 8th Gen i5-8250U processor coupled with 8GB DDR4 RAM with 1TB SATA Farracuda hard disk drive with 8GB flash memory, which is faster than normal hard disk. This model comes with integrated Intel UHD graphics 620 with dedicated NVIDIA GE4 GTX 1050 4GB graphic card. It comes with 15.6-inch Full HD 60Hz anti-glare panel. Besides all this, it has 3-cell 48 Wh battery. You also get Asus battery health charging option to provide better battery backup. This is just first impression. I'm gonna upload full review after using it for a while. If you want to buy this, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. If you buy from the link, that will definitely help me to make more videos like this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.